Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Bitcoin for free. Well, there are many ways to earn or get a free Bitcoin. First, using Faucet. Bitcoin faucets are websites or applications that give away small amount of Bitcoin to users for completing simple tasks such as solving captchas, watching ads, or playing games. Number 2, airdrops. These are where when cryptocurrency projects distribute free tokens or coins to users. Number 3, mining. While mining Bitcoin requires specialized hardware and a significant investment of time and resources, there are some mining pools that offer small rewards for contributing computing power. And last, affiliate programs. Some websites and services offer affiliate programs that pay users in Bitcoin for referring new users. So that's how to get Bitcoin for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.